As I travel around and I see patients, one of the most common things that people say to me, my skin looks so dull and lifeless. It has enlarged pores, it has brown spots, it's gray, it's not pink anymore. Never mind, it's falling, lines, etc. It's about energizing your skin. Just like you've got to exercise for your body health, just like you have to take supplements for your body health, you have to feed the machine, you have to do the same thing for your skin. Otherwise, the skin is the last place the body is going to dedicate its limited resources. And so you may feel fairly good. You may be at the age where you're not getting tired and having brain fog and all sorts of issues. But with your skin, you have got to feed the skin from the outside in what it needs to energize it, to exfoliate off the dead skin, to make new collagen, to lift, to tighten, to make new blood vessels that make it pink, energizing it. So what do you use? Well, you've got to exfoliate. Cleanser exfoliates. You've got to use the right cleanser that goes in and cleans out your pores so your skin can breathe at night, because it does. You've got to use vitamin C plus, because that's a 95% elascorbic, which forces new collagen production, forces skin energizing. Just that. Serum is feeding it all the vitamins, the minerals, all the antioxidants that it needs in order to respond to the vitamin C, in order to prevent the damage from the sun and the pollution and the stress. And then you've got to exfoliate. Well, there's first vitamin A plus. Vitamin A plus penetrates more deeply, forces new collagen production in a different and synergizing way with all the other products, makes new blood vessels to give pinkness, to bring in everything the skin needs, to make new skin cells, to make healthier skin cells, to feed the mitochondria, the power plant of the cell. And you've got to exfoliate. So you start with exfoliating repair, and then you increase to peel. Skin energizing is essential in order to look, feel good, and look good, to make your skin be everything you want it to be. Hope that helps. It will. Thank you.